Hey, shalom, y'all bashim yashar brakatah, y'all shamalatan bashim yashar. Hey, listen, check this out. Commanding General Yahanna will be teaching the class live on Monday, 14th February 2022 in Philadelphia. Listen, he's going to be breaking down the Fist of Purim as it was meant to be broken down, you know what I mean? Listen, the Fist of Purim is a very important part of our lives as blacks, Latinos, and Native Americans. And Commanding General Yahanna is going to be breaking it down all the way flat for all people, you know what I mean? That's Monday, 14th February 2022 in Philadelphia. It's going to be 41 Garrett Road, Upper Darby, PA. You know what I mean? You can't miss it. We're going live. Join us, Commanding General Yahanna.
Home of the truth, the original zone, 1969. The game is afoot. Let's get it on.
We invite all our brothers and sisters to come down, man. Come down and enjoy the Fist of Purim with Commanding General Yahanna as he break it down. Shalom.